Good morning, I am Shivam Awasthi. I am going to teach about probability. What is probability? A concept which numerically measures the degree of certainty of occurrence of events is known as probability. There are many terms with regard to probability. Experiment, random experiment, event, other terms equally likely events, sure events. I will discuss it later on. Now switch to the main formula for finding probability. PE, probability of event, is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of possible outcomes. Note, favorable outcomes means in which possibility of some events are asked. Possible outcome means all the possible outcomes under experiment. Very important, this is only formula used to find possibility of any type of events, means only this formula can solve 100 of questions. Now switch to possible outcomes of some events. First, tossing of coin. Coins can be tossed in thin category. One coin is tossed, two coin is tossed, means one coin is tossing twice, three coins are tossed, one coin is tossing three times. Possible outcomes 2, 4, 8, HT, HH, HT, TH. This is very easy. Write all possible outcomes of two coins. One coins multiplied with one another. You get all the possible 8 outcomes. Note, for finding any type of formula, you can use 2 is to power n. Okay. Now switch to some special questions when two coins are tossing, means या फिर or you can say one coin is tossing two times. So important questions. These are also some special type questions framed by me. Three coins are tossing, one coin is tossing three times, getting only heads, getting less than one head, three heads but have no tail. One more question with respect to three coins. Only updating is the head is marked for 1 and the tail is marked for 0. Then give the following questions answer. Sum of 3, sum less than or equal to 2, sum is more than 1 but less than 3. All these are very unique question. Just do it. See clearly here. Now switch to the concept about playing cards. You know, total number of playing cards is equal to 52. Facing cards 12. 2 king, queen, jack are facing cards. 2 black, 2 red, 2 black, 2 red. In this way you get 12 facing cards. Total color 2, 26 red cards, 26 black cards. In short, 52 cards have 4 slots, 13 spades, 13 clubs, 13 hearts, 13 diamonds. 3 face cards, 3 face cards, 3 face cards and 3 face cards. Okay, means black has 3 face cards, other are ace, 2, 3 up to 10. 3 face cards, and the same way all the clubs, hearts and diamonds have. There is a challenge. From pack of 52 cards, some cards may be removed and questions are asked from remaining questions from a pack of 52 playing cards. Red kings, black queen, either jack or red cards, neither black nor face cards. Very important question. Two more question on removing cards. You can see unique question. One more important special question. Solve it. Now switch to rolling of dice. Rolling of one dice, possible outcome 6. Special question on this. Just try it. On rolling 2 dice, there are total possible outcomes are 36. How to write? So easy. Make 6 column. Write 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 6 6 6 6. and then again write 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's so easy. Another time, most important questions, just solve it and find answer. Some other important approach is written here. You may have number of cards with numbering of digits, or you may have cards printing with the English alphabets. You may have also asked to find number of Sundays, Mondays in a leap year, in a non-leap year. Means all these are challenges you can get in while doing probability chapter. Students can also get such type of challenging questions. Thanks for watching my video. I hope Baizu will provide me a great opportunity from their platform. Thank you.